Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. My name's Jenny and I'm so glad you could join me today for this Christmas Clean and Decorate. As you can see, I've got all my decorations out on my table and I'm so excited to see how they look this year. Most of them are from last year, but I did pick up a couple of new things this year just to keep it fresh. So I am starting out by just cleaning off my sideboard and getting it all ready. And I am just changing out the greenery in my vases. I keep them bundled with rubber bands throughout the year so that I can just switch them out really easily and go from season to season. So I'm going ahead and putting the evergreens into my white vases. And then I also picked up these matte red berries from Hobby Lobby this year. And I'm going to go ahead and add those in for a little pop of red.
Everyone else, isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la, da, 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 oh, oh, la, da, 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 oh, oh, la, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories.
And I wanted to find some decor to put in that tray on my sideboard. So I had that candle holder from years past that I went ahead and cleaned out and put some frosted pine cones inside. I keep frosted pine cones and potpourri and things like that in my garage to store for decor purposes, and so I thought they would be a nice addition. And then I thought that the tray still needed a little bit of height since it's such a deep tray, so I took this candle holder out of my lantern and filled it with pine cones as well, and then put the rest of the pine cones back in the lantern, and that is what I'm going to use to fill the tray. I hope you guys are getting excited about the holidays. I really am over here, and it's Louisiana, and so it had been so hot and the cold front came and I have been enjoying it so much. I've been taking the baby on stroller walks and we have just been enjoying not having to sweat it out, but just to have that nice cool breeze. And here I'm just adding a little bit of the Bath & Body Works balsam spray to my greenery to give it more of a Christmas tree smell and fragrance. Unfortunately, that's the closest thing I'm going to get to a tree this year. We are not putting up a tree. Our baby Alex is 13 months old and I know he's just going to go for it over and over and try to pull it down, and I think he would enjoy it much more next year. So I think we would all enjoy it much more next year. So the closest I can get is to spray everything pretty much that I can with this balsam spray, and guys, it smells amazing.
And to see you again, baby, this year it's just gonna be you.
And here I'm just putting out more of that same greenery with the holly berries, and I have that container out year round as well, and I just switch out the greenery. I'm also putting out my favorite Christmas photo of my two big kids, Nathan and Noel, who are now 14 and 11, and when they were little I took them to get their picture taken, and Nathan tried to eat the little plastic cookies off of the plate that they gave him of Christmas cookies, so it was so cute, and that is one of my favorite Christmas memories, and that photo goes out every year.
Yeah, let's go outside.
And for my cleaning today, I am just using the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray in the pine scent, and I wanted to keep it simple and easy and fast so I didn't have to change cleaners, and the pine smell is amazing.
We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring.
I picked up these trees that go inside the globes last year from Target, and I really like the way they looked, but the cement is kind of scraping against the glass, and I was thinking I wanted to try to create like a snow effect inside the glass container. And I tried to use batting to fill it up to kind of cushion it and look like a blanket of snow, and it was kind of a fail. It didn't really look anything like I wanted it to look, but I'm still going to work on it. I haven't given up on it yet. I might just need to layer it a little bit more, like break up the batting a bit and layer it in there. I wanted to use artificial snow and just pour that in, but the only snow that I could find had glitter in it, and I really wasn't going for that look this year. I wanted more of a matte look, so I went with the batting instead. but like I said, I need to work on it a bit. It's a little bit solid in there, and I want to break it up and make it look a little more like drifts of snow. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any suggestions for those trees. If you know a good way to get a snow effect that would look a little more natural. And it was time to set up the hot cocoa bar. We had this up last year and it was a huge hit. So we're doing it again, and the big kids especially love this. They love to come home from school and make a cup of hot cocoa and put a little candy cane to stir and the marshmallows. So I went ahead and redid this one. I added a couple things to it this year. They had some really cute mugs at Walmart, and so I got a couple of those, and then a Christmas tree from Target, and a little container that says Santa's milk from Walmart. So I'll put this together real quick and let you guys see how it came out. And as you can see, baby Alex is in the background playing in his little play yard with his dad. And I'm gonna go set up his little Christmas toys in a little bit in his room and let him come out and enjoy them. So stick around for that. If you're new to my channel, I'm so glad you're here. Thank you so much for stopping by. Again, my name is Jenny, and I'm married to Tony, and we have 3 children. Noelle is 14, Nathan is 11, and baby Alex is 13 months. So I love to do family, home, and lifestyle videos. I do cleaning motivation, and I do organization and all kinds of things, house and home. I love to provide hope on my channel. That is definitely my purpose. My goal is to help you guys feel motivated and encouraged and inspired to start your week and feel hope for your future and feel like everything is going to be okay. I want to make sure that you guys know that there is always hope right around the corner.
To have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else.
And as I was decorating, I had to add this cute little spoon that Nathan made when he was in kindergarten. He is now 11, so it just reminds me that he was so little once, and it always makes me smile.
Another year went by.
And here I am just changing out the pillowcases on my sofa pillows, and I just use pillow covers that I get off of Amazon. They're about 2 for $10, and they're just a very inexpensive and easy way to get seasonal decor, and they're easy to store because you can store the pillowcases flat.
It is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere. Just us and
And here I'm also adding this pillow that I picked up from Walmart this year that says Be Merry.
till we perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
For under my TV, I have a little sign that I got at Hobby Lobby this year, and it says, "And to all a good night." And then I'm surrounding it with the little houses and trees that I picked up from the Target dollar spot last year, and the kids' Santa pictures from when they were a baby. And guys, let me know in the comments when you like to decorate. This is the earliest I've ever decorated, but honestly, I just couldn't wait. I was so excited. I've never decorated before Thanksgiving before, but I figured at least this way I can enjoy the decorations for longer, since it seems like such a short time when you put them up after Thanksgiving and then all of a sudden it's New Year's. But let me know in the comments. There's no right or wrong. When do you like to decorate? Do you decorate right after Halloween? Do you decorate before Thanksgiving, after Thanksgiving? What do you like to do? Let me know.
Let's go outside. The snow is
And I'm just cleaning off my table before I get to decorating it because it had all of the decorations on it, so it's extra dirty. And for some of you, this might be the first time that you're really seeing my chalk painted dining room furniture. So I did a video on it, and that was the last video I uploaded if anyone is interested. But we had a polish remover stain on this table, and for the longest time I needed a fix for it, and I decided to chalk paint it along with the rest of my dining room furniture. So this is how it turned out. I really love it so far. It cleans really well. It seems very durable. It was fairly easy to do. It did take a little bit of time, but it was very easy to do. So if any of you guys are thinking of chalk painting furniture and just a little nervous about it, I would totally encourage you to do it. And I feel like I have a new dining room set now. So check out the video if you need a little bit of a tutorial, and I really, really love it, and I'm really glad that I did it.
ooh, making plans.
And honestly, this was my favorite part of decorating today. I got to put out Alex's little nativity set, Fisher-Price nativity, for him to play with. And I also got to put out these cute little buckets of snowballs that Nathan and Noelle played with when they were really little. And so that brought back so many memories of when they were young. And now baby Alex will get to play with them too. And I'm sure he will be throwing a lot of those snowballs at his big brother and sister. And as soon as I finish in here, I'm gonna send him in so that he can enjoy all of this.
Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. While we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. With you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
And the last thing on my to-do list was to hang up my wreath, which is more like a door hanger than a wreath. I got it at Walmart last year, and that was it. I'm pretty much done. I'm just gonna give my house a good sweep because there's like all kinds of things that have fallen in the process of decorating. I'm so glad you guys could join me for this Christmas clean and decorate. No matter if you're subscribed or if you're new, you're so welcome here, and thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you guys have fun decorating your houses, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all on the next one.
You can feel it in the air that every child got their hearts filled up with joy.